So here is the paint booth. I just do a little something like that. The garage door is about halfway open. It's a little windy today, so I got it blocked off. But I do have some little ventilation on this side. I might close that up. But the guitar is ready for painting. I cleaned it with the mineral spirits just to get all the sawdust and whatever dust particles off. But this is just a primer coat, so we can sand away any imperfections. I used the C-stand here. There's my neck that I used just for painting. I had the neck, the fretboard taped off, but I don't care anymore. But, right, so I can rotate this and raise it up and down, and try not to shoot this. So I'll try not to shoot back this direction, but this way I can move the project around. I can raise and lower it, and it works out pretty good. I've done a handful of projects like this already, so I'm gonna let that mineral spirits dry for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna hit it with the 2K primer.